Lesley, good evening. So, here's the van. It looks a lot better having all of the stickers off for sure. I am awaiting for it to be machine polished as well. Okay, this is actually my first look since the new floor's gone in. I know that the seats were being taken out this morning. All the excess wiring, or at least a lot of it, has been. 9 heaters out, obviously temporarily whilst we put the floor in. I can see a switch here. I wonder if it's on yet. Maybe it's isolated. Okay. I can see we've got a swivel base in here. Now, I have been told by the workshop that you can actually get a swivel base to fit on there, and as long as you have the handbrake down, it will turn. Obviously, you don't really want to be turning it when you're on a hill. But yeah, that is something that apparently does exist, and we could get if you wanted 2 seats at the front to turn around. But yeah, it's looking like we're making some progress. We've got the lithium box down here, the battery box. This, of course, is for the suspension system, because this is on hydraulic suspension. Quite a rare setup, really. Usually they're on airbags, so that's kind of cool. If you just Google hydraulic suspension, you won't see many vehicles with it. It's kind of rare. But yeah, that's where your battery box is. That's got the 220 amp hours of lithium in it. Looks like there's a little isolator down there. So yeah, it's turning into a pretty cool setup. Oh, one thing that we hadn't noticed, because I think, well, we hadn't had any of these vehicles from this particular ambulance service of this particular conversion for, probably 12 months, maybe less. But since we've taken the bulkhead out, obviously this needs to be moved back slightly, and we're going to have to do something here to tidy up the gap that it's made. And obviously that'd be nice to put your switch in that. So yeah, it's looking good. See you soon.